Okay children, now in today's video we are going to see how to solve question number 6 construction 11.2 class 10. Okay, in this particular question we have to draw a right angle triangle ABC. The lengths of these sides are given. Okay, what are the sides are given? Let me see in the note in the textbook. Yes, it is given as AB 6 centimeter and BC 8 centimeter. Angle B should be 90 degree. So first what I will do, I will be drawing BC base which is of 8 centimeter. Okay, so with the help of scale I am drawing this BC as 8 centimeter. Okay, now what I will do, at angle B it is clearly mentioned it should be 90 degrees, so I am constructing a 90 degree angle here. Okay, so you know very well in 9th standard you have learned how to draw 90 degree angle. These are 60 and 120 arcs. With the same distance I am drawing two arcs from those two arcs of 60 and 120. Now this AB should be 6 centimeters. So what I will do, with the help of scale I will be drawing 6 centimeter line segment which is passing through this 90 degree ka arcs. Okay, so I am naming this as A. So this will be now join AC. This is the required right angle triangle ABC. Please write down here 6 centimeter. Now we are going to construct a circle. Okay children, now I will be drawing the perpendicular bisector of BC. How to draw perpendicular bisector? Take more than half of the distance. Okay, one arc here, one arc in the downward side. Okay, and then we will be getting a perpendicular bisector. Now this perpendicular bisector is intersecting BC at point O. I am just naming this as point O. Now in the rounder I am taking OB as the distance. Okay, and with center O, I will be drawing a circle. Okay, which is also passing through point C. I think this rounder got disturbed here. It should not happen with you. It should not be, double lines here. You can see it should not happen here. Okay, now I have got a circle. I want to satisfy one given condition in the question that there should be a perpendicular from B on AC. So children, it's simply you have to, when you are drawing a circle, this circle is intersecting hypotenuse AC at some point. So just give name and join that particular point with point B. It is BD perpendicular to AC. Mark here perpendicular because it is very important. It is mentioned in the question. Now what is the next thing? We have to draw the tangents. Already from this external point A we have drawn AB as the tangent. Now I have to take the same length in the rounder as AB. Okay, you can see how I am taking the same length in the rounder. Yeah, here it is. Okay, and from point A I will be drawing an arc which will intersect the circle. Okay, just giving this point name as M, and you have to join this AM. So children, these are the two arcs from the external point A, and BD is perpendicular to AC. Now how to justify this construction? It's very simple. In two lines I can justify this. You have to write here, since triangle ABC is right angled triangle with angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, therefore BO is perpendicular to AC, because this is 90 degree already given in the question. Okay, this OB is the radius of the circle. It is perpendicular to AB. It means what? It is the radius of the circle which is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, so similarly we can show AM is also tangent. How you can show AM is the tangent, children? How you can show AM is the tangent? If you want, you can join this. So this is the radius, okay, which is the perpendicular to the tangents. I hope the justification is clear. Okay, so thank you so much. I will be explaining next question in the next video.